Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll show you how to edit the funeral program template. For this demo, we're going to be using Google Docs. The template we've chosen comes from the funeral program site DIY collection, and it's part of the floral theme. It's called the Primrose design. We're doing the demo in Google Docs because it's online-based, it's free, and there's no software required. You don't need Word or any design programs installed, just a simple internet connection. Okay, so let's get started. I'll have you come closer so you can view my computer screen. Once the Primrose template is open in Google Docs, you'll see that everything is already set up for you. The layout, spacing, and formatting are complete, along with filler text to help guide you along. You only need to replace the sample text with your own information and insert your photo. Let's start by editing the text. To make changes, click directly into the text you want to edit. Highlight the placeholder text and type in your own details. Here we're editing the front cover and changing the placeholder text to the name and date of birth through date of death. You'll notice the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where you can adjust font size, alignment, or spacing if needed. If you don't like the font, you can use another type and adjust the sizing to your liking. You can go to all the pre-formatted text boxes and fill in your own information just like this, and change the font style if you want to. Now let's add a photo. One of the benefits of using Google Docs is that inserting a photo always works the same way. Unlike Word, where the steps can change depending on the version you're using, Google Docs stays consistent. To insert a photo, click where you want the image to appear. Then go to the top menu, select Insert, choose Image, and click Upload from Computer. Select your photo, and it will appear in the template. Once the photo is added, click on it to resize it using the corner handles. You can also drag it slightly to adjust the placement. The Primrose design is set up so the photo fits neatly without disrupting the layout. Now, if you want to change the shape of the photo, you can. Just click on the mask image, the little icon that looks like two overlapping corner angles. Select the shape you want, like the circle. It crops it to your shape, then double-click inside the photo and adjust the vertical handles on the sides to adjust the circular shape. In this case, we're going to make it an oval. There. From here, you can adjust the size by dragging the corner out and set it into place. As you're working, Google Docs automatically saves your changes. There's no save button, and nothing is lost if you close the document and come back later. If you want to add a photo on any of the other pages, just go to the page you want to put it on and follow the same steps to insert the photo. When you're finished editing, your funeral program will be ready for the next step: proofing and preparing it for printing or sharing digitally. In the next video, we'll walk through how to proof and print your funeral program. We'll show you how to check for common mistakes and make sure everything is ready before you print or download your final copy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.